In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a short-term cash flow projection in Xero. If you're a small business owner, an accountant, or anyone involved with financial planning, understanding your cash flow is crucial. This ensures that you have the full picture of your financial landscape. Now, let's delve into how you can easily generate a short-term cash flow projection using Xero, a popular accounting software that's known for its user-friendly interface and powerful financial management tools. To start, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're in, head straight to the top of your dashboard. Here, you will see various options on the menu bar. Our focus will be on the Reporting tab, so go ahead and click on it. This section is the hub for all your financial reports and will give you access to examine different aspects of your business's financial performance. Now, after clicking on the Reporting section, you'll be presented with a menu of reporting options. Navigate through this menu to find and select Short-Term Cash Flow. This tool is particularly designed to provide you with an in-depth view of your cash flow analytics. Once selected, Xero will swiftly compile a projection, giving you insights into your future cash inflows and outflows. Xero's short-term cash flow projection feature is designed to highlight the expected bank balance over a given period. This can be immensely helpful in spotting potential cash shortages or surpluses well ahead of time. Once in this section, you'll see summarized data that reflects your forecasted cash position based on the current transactions and invoices logged in Xero. Knowing this information in real time can equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions that are crucial for maintaining the financial health of your business. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to access the short-term cash flow projection in Xero. This process is quite straightforward but incredibly powerful in planning for your business's future. By regularly checking this report, you can keep a finger on the pulse of your cash flow, ensuring that you are always prepared for whatever financial situation your business may encounter. Remember, keeping a close eye on your cash flow is not just an exercise in numbers, it's about gaining the confidence and security that comes from knowing you can meet your obligations while also seizing opportunities as they arise. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has equipped you with the knowledge you need to effectively use Xero's cash flow projection tool. Don't forget to explore other reporting features in Xero for a broader understanding of your financial health and to enhance your business management strategies even further.